What if you could own a simple home-based service business that customers need but never want to do themselves? Barbie Clean is a mobile grill cleaning franchise serving homeowners, HOAs, apartments, hotels, and short-term rentals. Dirty grills are more than messy. If not professionally cleaned within 6 months, they can contain cancer-causing carcinogens and real health risks. Barbie Clean solves that problem fast. This is a low-overhead operation, no storefront, no special truck required. The entire equipment setup fits in a standard trunk. Founded in 2012 and franchising since 2014, Barbie Clean operates in a niche market with very few organized competitors. Franchise owners earn revenue through professional grill cleaning, repairs, parts replacement, and optional add-on services like fireplace cleaning. The initial total investment starts at $78,200. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Barbie Clean to your top picks and request the info pack now.